Teacher, the singing enough for you, man. You know that already too. Isn't it? The song, the singing song them we had sing, bro. Them not sound good at all, bro.
A few moments later.
So, yo, that aside, what do you think about the album? On the feel like say it up there, it over, past Alka album, or what do you think?
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
2,000 years later.
If I'm being honest, MPT was a better album.
2,000 years later.
This is another song you for me. But no, say look like him shade Alkaline, you know. When them say them are living in him style and in him rent, you know. Look like him shade Alkaline and it look like.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You see no fan with the guys that forgot suck no matter, you know. Every blood clot you gone over the bumbo clot apps them platform and make it apps them a disrespect blood clot man artists. What the fuck don't you no
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Wagwan, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, you don't know a thing set. So, see a brother fall out and a bag of thing. But people, wanna tell me now, why Vice Cartel drop an album? And the Gaza people them so focus on Alkaline. Me not understand this. The man them a try put one song say that this Alkaline for give the album. Not here say album. Mavado and the Cartel song. The man them a try make the song make a be a hit, you know. The man them a use Alkaline name. You understand? Alkaline name. Remember, you know? And Alkaline alone drop album for the year. But a Alkaline them use. That me a try show say, yo, them can't do that, the Vendetta boss. Them drop an album and man them a crash out people. I tell you. Crash, the man them a crash out. I tell you that. You see it. But this is what that brother here say.
Man papers, brad.
Yo, people. So me alone, I see the hype about that song. They only for me alone, I see the hype about that song. And my intro teacher say, yo, safe sex, no condom. I guess that I knew safe sex nowadays. But Mavado and Cartel, they sound like a Mavado and Cartel from a taller time way, never gonna away. Who know the Mavado me talk about Cartel? Who don't know? You see me? And the album, right now I still have to tweet. The features them was needed.
And that me tell people, you know, if this album was just Vice Cartel alone, to be honest, you know, it'd have even more worse. You see it? It'd have even more worse. It's just a 6 collaboration on the it. It really carry the album. You see me?
To make the album different too, in a whole heap of sense. Just never really like the Mavado and the Cartel feature. I don't see the hype about it. Couple songs for the album too. Would I just stay off the album, you see me?
Yeah man, like soft good girl era round and round. Man I know. The man just I don't know. I feel like Cartel just have the album because to be honest people, the album have wrong name. The album I can't name God and Time. You understand? May I tell the people. It no God and Time no really there. You see it? A joke thing. Cause there's no story to it. It don't even follow up the title. You see me? So my song don't even make no sense. And I just facts. Like, what the story? When you hear something named God and Time, right? God, Time. So you look for something. Yeah, you soft girl era, yeah, hear this, yeah, hear that. People, I don't know. I don't know. But we have to come in to judge.
The reason why I say some of them songs that enough even reach my album like, yo, teacher, the singing enough for you, man. You know that already too. You see me? The singing song that we had sing, bro, them not sound good at all, bro. I'm not hear nobody wants to say that's my opinion, but them not sound good, bro. Put some more work in that singing. Your voice and I can't even match for the singing, like, come on, bro. Like.
That's the thing, brother. The man, let me tell you, the man try to side out him voice. The bag of rum and drinking and all of them look a thing, brother. It'll mash him up. You see me? Mash up him dance a bass pan. Yo, you can't sing and you see me? It don't make any sense. Cartel them if you try auto-tune him voice in a way for kind of make it sound good, bro. People, I don't know. I don't think could have send me a drive a country and put in an album and just no. You know the sir.
Yeah. That's the reason why I say yo, some of the songs them on the album don't even should even be on the album though. On a real life level. Yeah. So yo, that aside, when you think about the album, when you feel like say it you know, it up there, it over. But
I don't know, you know. I know, you know, brother. Nah, chat that right now. Is it? Nah, chat that at all. Me I tell you that.
it's Alka album, or what do you think? Let's compare the two albums then. Because you don't know in time Crux your film album, we compare the three of them. You see it? So
Oh, sound like as a crux, man. But this are the thing, people like, come on. Cartel album, him not even dominate the album. I just, if you notice, them mostly talk about the features, them. They don't really talk about the rest of the thing, them. You see me? So, we're going to see one major hit song out of the album. Where that going to go?
better way. Gaza, what want to say? Haha, I'm going to read on this.
I was just in this live, and let me tell you, the glazing was crazy, right? There was just Vibes Cartel bias, and I understand anything with Owen we in media, there's gonna be just a lot of Vibes Cartel glazing, praising.
Remember, say Vice Cartel ambassador vlog of that, you know, so, yeah, man, I got bias and everything, talk of madness. You see me? The people them who they know the truth. Is it? So, I just one of them thing there. When it comes to Vice Cartel, people are going to say, good, them are going to do this, them are going to do that. I don't know how the world works. You see me? But that's over, man. That's over.
And actually, there is nothing what you call objectiveness at all. You understand? It's great to have fans, but when you have stands, I should not say that they are fans. They are just stands, just glazing Vibes Cartel. Because if I'm being honest, MPT was a better album. But let me know what you think about this in the comment.
Okay. But till you know already, you know, it's just a matter of time, you know. You understand? For you actually see what I go on. You see me? But for the time I forward.
Album are you rocking with more? Is it the God and Time album or is it the Cartel album? Let me know in the comments.
Yo, brother. If me for choose, say me I go all country and me I go drive like all 1 2 hours. I can't make Cartel album, G. And Mavado album me have to go for. You see me? So, now I go on that. I don't know. I listen to Alkaline album like everything go places like just it alone depend thumb drive and just a play. Like, yeah, man. The best that, man. So, right now, because it's a collaboration album that Alkaline is just a solo album, but Cartel album lack of quality, dog. If them not sort out him voice for merge with the rhythm and all that, I don't know. You see me? It just not even compare it, dog. I tell you. You see me?
This is another song for me. But no, say look like him shade Alkaline, you know. When them say them are living, I'm styling and I'm rent, you know. Look like him shade Alkaline and look like him shade Al Josh too, you know. When them say,
brother, yo, I don't know, you know, the money can follow up certain things, you know, but brother, them do what they want to, say what they want to say. You see me? I'm gonna give them no attention, dog. You see, that's the only way she could have ray and get the look forward and a bag of thing, but some joke thing that, dog. You see me? Any Alkaline thing, I can just feel like say you go see me and I'm allow if it diss him. You see me? Yeah, but you are one people.
them a drink one bag of liquor. I look like I'll probably get T-side too, you know. When them a say they for watching business, you know. I remember say probably turn to him and tell him say, yo, teacher don't have I smoking. And teacher go like Sabu and say, yo, when the next man tell him if don't smoke, what am I go do and what am I go do? I don't know. I'll let
you know, so that thing they were happen with popcorn, it kinda, it even make no sense, bro. It even make no sense. You see me? But one of them thing there.
But what I want to say, all the album sound bad too, you know. They like the album, you know. The album alright to me, yeah man, but that song had the bad song and everything.
Boy, Alkaline,
Alkaline, I tell you, he's a dangerous and a revengeful youth, Who remember the other day Alkaline dropping album? When Alkaline dropping album, same time, Massacre drop one song named Bossy. Who remember say 90% of the media, 90% of the media say Massacre one song which is Bossy. Outrun Alkaline whole album. Who remember that story there?
Well, remember that, So, basically, before the album dropped, so it was what happened, So, I tell you, the crooks them desperate. Like, I don't know, the man them desperate, dog. The man them, see, say Alkaline, but I drop the album on March 21st, right? Man them drop a preview. Fine. Because nobody not own a date and when for release. Them release how them want. But just because the man them desperate, the man them drop something. You see me? Like a preview or so. On the day. Then yeah man them, yo. You know, say the preview, make them not bother drop the album. So watch them fool ya. Cause I saw the crooks them stay, Them love piggyback off of people wave. After Monday now, Alkaline dropped the album. I think it was the following Thursday or Friday in the same week the man them drop Bossy. Yeah man them. Yo, 1 kill 16 already. Then where Bossy there now. We not see impact with Bossy. That's why I try to show say some hot song when I look for another dog. You understand? Hot song right now. Is it so? It no matter what them do, dog. Them just desperate. You see me?
Me not forgot nothing, Remember when Alkaline dropping album in PT? And the album was going on when y'all go to cheer up the place and so that. You remember when Massacre dropping song Bossy? You remember what the media say? Massacre song is bigger than Alkaline whole album. No, Alkaline is that dangerous and a revengeful, brother.
Yo, imagine, the man say, yo, Bossy bigger than the whole Alkaline album. Yo, me tell you, say, only in a small world, dog. A years now, not chick Massacre, And that's why I'm not go for him there. You understand? Because him feel so comfortable in himself because every day people are shoving him up and bag a thing. You see me? But I go realize when it's too late, Yeah, man.
Because Mrs. Suchman dropped him album yesterday. And Alkaline end up drop a song same day, which is the song named Better Body. And right now, Mrs. Song has stream more than the album. Me can say that now, supposed to cause a problem. Me don't think that's supposed to cause a problem now because when Uno did say the other day, say, Massacre song, Bossy, bigger than Alkaline album.
And if you check the facts, it can't bigger. Because Alkaline, girl good as stream much millions for Spotify, so I'm not getting none. I just a bag of chatting and you crooks them stay already seem like them artists forward by the media, a bag of cussing, that's it. You don't know.
Well, fair enough. Now me I tell you say, based on the numbers when me I see. This song Alkaline dropped the same day upon this album, yeah. Better Body. The album dropped yesterday. And Better Body dropped yesterday. I tell you say right now me watching numbers them. 100 and had K pan Better Body and now me not see one of the song them. The new song them. Me not talk the one that did out already. Me not talk the new song them we featured on the album. Now let me reach 100K yet.
John, no, say I tell me say I don't know any people. But he might tell me say Better Body a stream more than the new song them on Cartel album. John, no, me have got check out that damn thing they are going. But the Better Body song it make waves, so we're gonna see what go on. You understand?
Me can't talk about tomorrow. Me talk about today. First day streaming. Better Body, Alkaline Better Body song is streaming more than that album. Majority of the song on the album. But I say actually all of the new songs they drop. Me not talk about the one that they drop already and been out there and get them views from before we add to the album. Me talk about the new one that we drop yesterday. Where everybody yesterday might hear them. Alkaline song Better Body right now. More numbers. At that same time Alkaline did dropping album with the Massacre one song. Better than the whole album. Some think I have no issue you know.
Yo, Fire Genius say easy, dog. Man, I say, when you just say that, and no, can't say this at all. You see, but I just say you gotta know if you not did the facts, you know. You see me, so if I saw, but the lighting now go work, chi. Now go work, cause right now, what no business about Bossy right now, you see me? Bossy mostly I play around, you know, in Jamaica space and, you know, some undercover space and things, so they might do them thing. You see it? Yeah, man.
Me not think you're supposed to crash out though before me say hello. Not only that, I have something else to say. But next episode.
Yeah, man. What them say? Next episode. You see me? People, one of them thing there. You see me? Cartel album. Well, I don't expect better, but I can't compare Alkaline album with Cartel album at all, brother. Cartel album, I show some artists in it and thing, and you know, do what them for do. Is it? So, nothing else are there. You see me? Yeah, man. Alkaline, I mash up the place right now. Yo, man, know, man. Yo, MPT album, brother. Yo, you can't just listen that right through. I tell you. Just listen to it. From NTP album drop, people. Me never yet listen to one next song. I just when people are play the song or so or you know. But you see, I make sure I get a thumb drive and know say alright, yo, the whole album I run, that's some stay. Yeah, man, but people, you don't know one media fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Respect for the support. You see it? Yeah, man, you don't know. Alkaline album, NTP. You see me, what them say? No dash sec. You see me? None of that, nah, test nobody. You see it? Yeah, man, no boy around here. You see it? But people, get the thing straight. Go buy and stream the song. Alkaline. Better body. A touch, man, touch. You see it? People, big up on yourself doing a respect for support. You see it? Yeah, man, you don't know what there. I'm going easy. You see it? Big up the people, them stay safe outside. You see me? Yeah, man, you know what thing set. That is it.